In this video, I'll show you how to create a Walmart account. First, open your browser and go to walmart.com. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner and click on the Account or Sign In option. This will take you to the Sign In page. Since we are creating a new account, click on Create Account. You'll be asked to enter either your phone number or email address. Choose whichever one you have easy access to right now, as Walmart will send you a verification code. Click Continue. On the next screen, enter your first and last name and any other basic information that is required. Make sure you use your real name, as it may need to match your payment or delivery details later. Now create a strong password for your account. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess. Once you are done, click Continue. Walmart will send a one-time verification code to your phone number or email. Check your inbox or text messages for the code. If you do not see it within a minute, check your spam folder or look for a resend option. Enter the code on the Walmart page exactly as it appears and click Verify and Create Account. Your account will now be set up and you'll be taken to your account dashboard, ready to start shopping. As a quick tip, save your delivery address and a payment method to your account for faster checkout. You can also enable extra security options in your account settings for added protection. That is how you do it.